Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to be basically walking you through the process that I use to install my DIY micro locks. Unfortunately, you are not going to see me actually twisting my hair. It's in more of a vlog sort of format. I kind of captured some different moments after I finished different things. I think I'm going to try to insert a video clip of how I twist my hair because I mean, basically, I just use the same method, just so you can kind of get a visual of how I actually did my twisting, how I twist. But yeah, I'm going to cover several different things. But before we go there, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. If you're one of my oldies, I know a lot of things have changed with YouTube, so make sure that you get the notification so that you can see my new videos come through, because a lot of my subscribers are like, I didn't know you were back making videos. So make sure you get all of your notifications. But let's get started. Let's start with the products. So for shampoo, I use the Kenra clarifying shampoo. I actually got this from one of my micro lock inspirations, which is Tykera Ann. Beautiful locks, but this is the shampoo that she used when she first got her micro locks. And since I am pretty much learning, I don't know what products at this point are going to be perfect for my hair. It's all through trial and error. I understand that from being a loose natural. So I got it from Amazon. It ranges depending upon the size that you get from about $10 to $16. Shampoo is the only product that I used. The rest of my hair was done with water. I didn't use any oils, any leave-ins, anything like that. Everything that I have read and researched, it was just really recommended no products. So that is exactly what I did. I also used a rat tail comb to do my parting. I did use a blow dryer because I decided to blow dry my hair. I'll explain that a little bit more as I go into the process of doing my hair. Goodie bands so that I could section my hair off, and a detangling brush. So the first thing was shampooing my hair. So I am done using the clarifying shampoo, and it was really weird because I have not felt my hair that clean in what, over 8 years. It's been a long time. So it was really, I was like, oh, it was just kind of squeaky. It's really clean. And so now I am about to do my blow drying process. But after I shampooed, I put my hair into 2 braids as I normally do to prepare for blow drying, just to let it air dry a little bit. And then I just blow dried my hair. This is my hair blow dried. Yeah. I know that a lot of people, or some people, don't choose to blow dry their hair before doing their locks. I chose to do so because I know how coily my hair is, and my goal was to start off with minimizing tangles, because I know in the journey the hair can bunch up on itself on the locks. And just thinking about how I know and understand my hair to act, I prefer to just start off with my hair as stretched as possible. And also because I know some people like to know the information, my loose natural hair is about 14.5 to 15 inches. So that is the amount of hair that I will be twisting. Grids. So I don't have any particular specific sort of grid in my hair. Honestly, the way that I sectioned my hair was purely based on it being convenient and easier for me to get my hair twisted, and how I would not go mentally insane. But just to make it easier when I'm twisting by section, and then I do want some sort of part if I want to do 2 ponytails or different sort of styles. So in regards to my twisting method, I didn't do anything special there either. I just did a regular 2-strand twist. I'm gonna put a clip from an old video just so you can see how I twist. so I don't have any that start off with braids. I don't have any sort of interlocking going on. It's just regular 2-strand mini twist, and I just made sure to twist them as tight as possible, as I normally do. And the magic question, how long did it take? Nothing else matters. How long did it take? So I started at 5 p.m. It's 8:47. And so this is almost 4 hours of work. So this is day 2, and this is how far I've gotten. So this is a little over 100 here, and then there's about a little over 50 here, and a little over 50 here. So far I have a little over 200 that are in. I am almost done. Why is this hanging there? I just have this one section left, which is a big section. It's gonna take about 3 more hours, I'm thinking. But everything else is done. Right now I have a total of about a little over 430 something. All right, guys, so I'm finally finished. And here is the ending results. This part is straight because it's the last part I did. It has not been in a braid out. The other sections have been in braid outs for days, so, but yeah. So it took me a total of 4 days, about 16 to 17 hours, because I work during the day. Thank God I work from home, but I work during the day. So really most of the hours of me being able to do my hair was on my lunch break. So that's 1 hour. And then I would take a few hours at the end of the day to work on certain sections. And I probably could have finished a lot faster, not necessarily in regards to the time, but the days. But I didn't want to rush it. And anytime I was feeling tired, I didn't want to work on my hair because I felt like I would start doing big sections, and I wanted to keep, I know the size is going to vary, but I just didn't want to have any really big twists. You guys know how it is when you're twisting your hair. I don't need to even really explain it, but I know if I'm getting tired, I'm gonna grab some big sections so I can be done. So when I got tired, I just stopped. So I started on Tuesday and I finished on Friday. So I just gave a lot of information really, really fast. I know there's still a lot of questions about my hair. There's a whole lot of questions still pending out there. So I am working on several different videos for you guys. So I'm working on, making sure that my channel is a quality channel for you guys and giving quality information. So I want to keep this information and this journey as organized as possible, as I feel like I did early in my YouTube journey. Now, it wasn't as, YouTube has changed. When I was doing it, I was on the bed. I mean, you didn't have to look cute. You were just innocent and you were just having fun. So, but it's a lot different now. So, but I'm going to make sure that I give this information to you as organized as possible. So more videos to come. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up if you like this video, and other questions that you have as I'm doing these videos, leave them down below. And I promise I have some new videos coming up for you guys. Share it, thumbs up, all that. Bye.